Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the second part of the previous video, Internet and its basic information. If you have not watched the video, just click on I button and watch it. So in this video, we are going to learn about netiquettes. Netiquette is derived from two words, Internet and etiquette. Now if you are thinking, what is the use of etiquette on Internet? Think again. It is defined as special set of rules that governs the behavior of a user communicating online. It means they are the important rules we need to follow while using internet. It includes the following rules. They are: keep your message concise. Be precise and catchy while drafting a message so that people may take time from their busy schedule to read it. Make it more attractive. Then the next one is be respectful and avoid sarcasm. Treat others as you would like to be treated by others. It is very much important to treat people online nicely. When you love people, people will love you back. Do not include sarcastic or insulting comments in your messages. Please, we have to use proper language whenever we are online. The next one is respect others privacy. It is very much important to respect others privacy. Do not read or forward another person's mail without seeing his permission. Going through another person's works could land you're in trouble. Okay, so we should not see others messages, other work, etc. The next one is obey copyright laws. It is very much important as well to obey copyright laws. Stop piracy. Nowadays, it is very much important to understand what is piracy and we have to stop them. The next one is do not indulge in spamming. We have already learned what is spamming. Sending emails, unwanted mails, or sending viruses in mails, it is totally against the law. We should stop them. The next one is use appropriate language. Remember to check your spellings and grammar before posting your messages. Always understand what you are expressing should make sense. The next one is do not reveal sensitive information online. Do not spread rumors. To minimize the cyber threat, be sensible. Sometimes, suppose we have someone's information or someone's private photos, videos, etc. So we should understand we should not reveal those pictures, videos online. Okay, it is totally against somebody's privacy. Nowadays we are actually thinking whenever we spread rumors, we spread fake news, we are so cool. Always remember, if you are spreading any rumor, it is just question for somebody's life. Please check the news, the things which we are sharing, that they are true or they are fake. It is very much important to check them before we share. The next one is be tolerant and careful. Every person has his own views regarding any matter. Therefore, while posting a question, ask the appropriate one. We should always see whatever we are asking or whatever we are answering, they are actually making sense. The next thing that we are going to discuss is email. This is the best part of internet. Okay, nowadays email is so much popular. Every second person on earth is sending an email. Okay, through email we can send anything around the world. So email stands for electronic mail. It is a facility on the internet to send or receive messages or any other file from around the world in real time. The best part of email is that a single mail can be sent to a number of persons at a time. We can attach photos, videos, or important data along without message. The extra files are called attachments. You know, every time we are sending mails, we are actually using internet for sharing data. So we are going to see some important parts of email. The first is email account. Whenever we need to send an email, we need an email account to send mails. There are few websites for making email accounts like Gmail, Yahoo, etc, etc. So we can visit to those websites and create email accounts. The next thing that we need is email address. Whenever we are going for any email account, when we create email address, we get email IDs and password to access our email accounts. Now what is email address actually? An email address consists of a username and a domain name. A username is the name of a person's account the server identifies him or her on website, whereas a domain name is a unique name that identifies a website on the web. Whenever we create an email account, we get an address. So example like Saurav sen 2315 at gmail.com. So it is actually a username, as we all can see that Saurav is a name of the person, and at gmail.com. Gmail.com is the domain, that website identifier. Okay, so let us see some components and the interface of Gmail in this video. Okay everyone, let us see the interface of Gmail. Now this is Gmail, email website from where we can send email to anyone. Okay, so here we are going to see some components that are important to send mails. The first thing that the interface you all can see, this is inbox. Okay, this is inbox C. So from here I can get the mails which I have received. The one is compose. From here I can send mail to anyone, so just click on this, you will be getting this window to send mail. So here it is written to, so that you have to write the email ID to whom you want to send. So I'm just writing an email ID. So I've just written an email ID, and here the subject, you can write the subject, anything you want to write, and this is the area where you can write email. Okay, now the another thing, this is the paperclip icon that you can see is attaching a file. Just click on it, the location will open and you can select a file which you want to send. Now with this icon you can send any data or any file whichever you want to send. Now this is the button to send email. Just click on it and your email will go to the person whichever you want. That's all for today's video. For more videos, just subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.